Hey, welcome to day three of the White video series. Now, before we begin our day today, I just want to quickly put things into perspective. Hence, we are starting off our day with Google Maps. Now, this is our pretty little Mother Earth. I'm going to quickly zoom in real quick into India. The blue dot you see over here, that's Delhi, and that's where we started our journey from. Now, just to give you a quick little map reading tip here, any dotted line that you see, those are your state borders, and any solid white line that you see, that's your country borders, right? So this blue speck right here, this is where we started from. And from there, we are going to travel over to this massive piece of land, which is nothing but the Great White Salt Ocean, the Run of Kutch. Now, if I just zoom in a little bit, just to give you a little bit of what's going to come over the next couple of days, this piece of ocean here is what brought me here. And Dordo, this place over here, that's where the Great Run of Kutch festival happens. Now, the area beyond this wide solid line, that's Pakistan, and currently, or rather, if I show you chronologically how we moved from Delhi, we started from here. First day we stayed at Pushkar, which is in this area right here. That's right next to Ajmer. And today, which is day three, we're at, or rather yesterday night, we reached this piece of land right here. The dark green speck you see here, that's nothing but Mount Abu. If I zoom in, you can notice that in fact that's the only hill station in the state of Rajasthan. That's where we're at right now. We're going to explore this massive stone in the middle of a desert. And tomorrow we head out to the Great Run of Kutch, which is right here. ਆਪਾਂ start ਕਰਾਂਗੇ ਅੱਜ ਦਾ ਦਿਨ by visiting a Durga Shiva temple right on the way. This was just a few kilometers from where I was putting up. We came from that direction, it's just about a couple of kilometers off. And you come across this beautiful, beautiful Durga Ma temple. You just had to stop here for a second. And right opposite the road, you can see. How pretty is this? A rocky plateau 22 kilometers long and 9 wide, near the Gujarat border and right in the middle of the elegant deserts of Rajasthan. This is Mountain Abu, home to rivers, lakes, waterfalls, and evergreen forests. The state's only hill station. Legend has it a serpent named Arbuda saved the life of Nandi, Lord Shiva's bull. This is how the mountain got its ancient name Arbudanchal, long for Mount Abu. Just walking distance from the Durga temple is the Somnath Mahadev temple. Located in the lush green forest of Mount Abu, this place is strikingly calm and still. If you sit here without any baggage of the eye, the stillness will just suck you in. Alongside the temple, there is a lake called the Sun Sarovar, full of golden fish. A perfect spot to be able to spend some time, close your eyes, and just travel inside. The Sarovar was full of green algae, making it the perfect backdrop for the orange golden colored fish to appear and disappear as you drop food for them. To complete the experience, I'm going to mute the music and my voice, listen to the song of silence at this place. Okay, so this is the local map of Mount Abu. Uh, this is the topmost point on this mountain. That's where we headed. That's our destination right now. I'm putting up here somewhere. This is the Naki Lake. This is the Mount Abu Lake, which we'll visit in the evening. We stopped earlier on. Somewhere here is the Devi Ma temple, the Durga Ma temple that we'd earlier visited. This is the Sant Sarovar that we saw. Now we'll stop at the Delvada Temples. These are the Jain temples. There's one on the road here, and then there are about five temples over here. And post visiting that, we head over from this direction to Guru Shikhar. This is the topmost point. They have the observatory over there as well. Now, towards my right is the Kanch Ka Mandir, literally meaning temple of glass. It is a Digambar Jain temple. And by the way, those are the infamous Dilwara Jain temples opposite the road right there. Now, right opposite the road are the infamous Dilwara Jain temples, which is a group of five temples, with the earliest of them having been built a little over 1000 AD. These are very significant and precious pilgrimage sites. Well, no photography inside, so a few public pictures will have to do. But the temples, they have one of the most intricate carvings on pure white marble ever seen. It is said that workmen were paid in gold according to the weight of marble powder scraped off when they were carving these. Spiritually and visibly, both these temples are just pure heaven. Let me tell you this, when I was leaving for Guru Shikhar, spectacular views and an energy surge, these by now had become mere expectations. Little did I know this day would come out to be one of the most spiritual experiences I've ever had, and I was walking right into it. The trail to Guru Shikhar had many tourist spots, and even more are the ones that are still raw, bare nature, and that's my kind of thing. Small trek now. We gotta go. We're at Guru Shikhar, and I'm gonna now trek against my will, and my the Alice in me doesn't want to kind of trek. This is the route that I have to take. Some fitness I've got 17-inch biceps to show, but I can't walk half a kilometer up there. That's the temple to go to. Oh God. Okay, correction, 16 inches. The guy down there told me there could be black bears here. He shouldn't have. With how I'm panting, even if there was one to appear in front of me, I'll probably just play dead. I can't be running off. Whew. What? Seriously? That steep?
Khatam. Bye bye. Tata. Goodbye. Gaya.
Wow, I can see the dome of the temple. That's a bit of a sigh. Hi, Vaheguru. Another mandir over here. Right down this. So I have two options, right? I can either roll down there, but I don't think I can. Joking, we'll try and see if I can make it over there. Whoa, look at this place though. There's a path over there that goes up top that peak, as much as it is tempting. Whew. There are places where I can. There is बनी हुई है राजी, but आगे कुछ दिख नहीं रहा सी, so or should I? I came back, I couldn't leave. I can try and see if. Acha, this is the same peak ਜਿਹੜੀ ਆਪਾਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਦੇਖ ਰਹੇ ਸੀ. Something was moving in that bush. Turns out it's a weeny little bird. But there's sheer. The day isn't over yet, my boy. I'm driving to the other side of the peak to a place called Achalgarh, popular for a fort about 600 years old, the Achalgarh Fort. But I'm not here for that. I'm here for this. The ancient Achaleshwar Mahadev temple, literal meaning immovable god. The temple is built around a toe print of Shiva. The Shiva Linga at this temple is a naturally occurring stone structure. A 4-ton Nandi statue made of Panchadhatu or an alloy of 5 metals adorns the place. The temple also has several other idols sculpted from sphatic, a quartz stone which appears opaque in natural light but becomes crystal-like translucent when a light is held against it. Within the temple is a pit which is believed by the locals to be a doorway to the netherworld or hell. Ooh. Now, off to the last leg of the day, I returned to the Naki Lake at Mount Abu. By the time I was back, I was completely in the zone. The divinity and seclusion of my exploration today, along with the happiness of meeting some amazing people, made me promise to myself I'll definitely be back. For now, let Shunya take over.